Hello and welcome to the video. Today, we will be talking about how to increase your hair growth rate with the greenhouse effect. If you are anything like me, your days consist of seeking out new ways to boost your hair growth so you can hasten to that glorious head of gorgeous hair you've been dreaming of. It would also mean that in your searches, you may have come across some far-fetched theories that have made you go, what the heck? Thankfully, the GHE does not fall into that category, and today you will find out how to apply it to your regimen. The acronym GHE stands for greenhouse effect, but in this instance, it has nothing to do with global warming. The principle involves trapping heat in a controlled environment to stimulate hair growth. Basically, you trap the heat from your head to mimic the age-old farming technique of GHE, and your scalp, in response, sprouts hair at a faster rate. What is the GHE and how does it work? The GHE practice was popularized in the hair community when an influencer recognized that the hair growth methods employed by many YouTubers at the time did not work for her hair, and therefore decided to create a method that would be easier to incorporate into her regimen. It worked. What you need for the GHE. Number 1, a spray bottle with water or water mixed with glycerin. You will use this to lightly mist your hair until it is damp so as to create the steam under the plastic cap. Number 2, oil. This is optional. If you choose to use oil, you might want to go with a light hair growth stimulating oil such as rosemary essential oil mixed with grapeseed oil. Click the tab above or link in the description to find out how to grow your hair using essential oils. You may even choose castor oil, though it's not necessarily a light oil. The oil just helps to lessen friction between the strands and as an added layer to trap in the moisture. Number 3, a shower cap or plastic wrap. This is essential as you will put it on your head to create the perfect environment to stimulate growth. Number 4, a scarf, satin cap, or baggy hat. You will need to use this to keep the plastic cap in place and to ensure that heat is not escaping, as that will be counterproductive. If you're enjoying this video, then please give us a like, and a sub to the channel would be amazing too. Now, back to the video. To incorporate the GHE, what you want to do is trap the natural heat from your own body with a plastic wrap or a shower cap, so as to create the perfect environment for the pores in your scalp to open up. This increases blood flow to the follicles, which allows for the hair growth rate to increase. You can massage oil into the hair and scalp to boost the stimulation of blood flow, but you do not need to use oil. You can use just water or a mixture of water and glycerin to lightly mist the hair until it is just damp, and the same results will be achieved. Now, all you need to do is apply the shower cap or plastic wrap over your damp hair and leave it alone to work its magic. You may find it's more convenient to do the GHE overnight, but if you are at home during the day, there's no rules that says it can't be done then too. Benefits you get from the GHE method. Number 1, it stimulates your hair growth and may even double or triple your normal growth rate. Number 2, it will naturally soften your hair, making it more manageable while lessening friction between the strands to limit breakage. Number 3, it will boost the moisture levels in your hair. Number 4, if you have curly hair, it would aid your curl definition. How often should this be done? You can do this as often as you wish, but take note of any changes that might indicate hygrofatigue. Hygrofatigue is when your hair experiences moisture overload and is overly soft and weak to the point of feeling mushy when wet. If this happens, do a protein treatment and scale back on the frequency of your GHE sessions. Click the tab above or link in the description to find out more about the moisture-protein balance. If your hair is not taking kindly to you doing it daily, once per week is good too. Doing it bi-weekly or bi-monthly works too, so select what is best for you. Also, if you decide to use the oil, it may not be prudent to do this every night, since the buildup from oils can block the pores and also cause irritation, which will defeat the purpose of the GHE. How will you know if it's working? Don't expect overnight results. Give it time to work. In at least 3 weeks to a month, you should start to see some results. To track your progress accurately over time, it is best to take before and after pictures of your hair. Of course, a good old pool test will suffice as well if you are a natural, but if you wish to go to the more scientific route for a more conclusive or detailed documentation, measuring relatively straight hair with a length check t-shirt before and after you begin is the best idea. The GHE works well for both natural and relaxed hair, so give it a try. It may just work for you too. Thanks for watching. Do let us know in the comments if you've had any experience with the GHE. Will you be trying it? You can also ask any hair-related questions you might have. All the best in your hair journey.